Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, back to part 3 of Project Pickle, the 1976 88-inch Land Rover. Well, we've made a little bit more progress. We've got another thing prepped and painted, plenty more dismantling, revealed a few horrors. Let's get into the video and see exactly what we've been up to. Thank you. Here we're block sanding the bulkhead with P320 to begin with, then P500 to finish. Same process on the inside of the bulkhead, block sand with P320, then finish off with P500. Now we're wiping in PU sealer into all the joints where there's a sandwich of two metals, so there's no water ingress, so any voids are completely filled with PU sealer. And this is a few days after the bulkhead's been prepped and sealed. Now we're masking off to brush seal some LS sprayable sealer into all the joints, so there's a nice smooth bead on every seam. Same thing on the other side of the bulkhead, it's all masked out and we're using LS sprayable seam sealer that we brush on. The point of the LS is it flows out quite well. Now the bulkhead is set up in the booth, ready for a coat of tinted epoxy primer. Now we're going on with a coat of tinted epoxy, only one coat, ready for the final coat. And now the limestone going on. There's 3 full coats on each side of the bulkhead with limestone. And now Mark's stripping the chassis, removing front and rear axles and getting the engine out of it. And as he's going, he's starting to cut the chassis down and reveal exactly what we have in store. And the main reason for not sticking with this chassis and going with a new Shielder galvanised chassis, you'll see that later on in the video. We'll cut the sections open and see exactly what's inside. This is fairly typical of the inside of a Series 3 Land Rover that's sat around in a field. They all corrode typically, and none of them are overly nice once you start cutting them open. If you only do a little patch repair, you don't get to see all of this.
You're still here. Well, please like the video if you found it interesting. Please share it if you think somebody else might. And please tune in next time, because we've got that coming up. So a bit of an indication of what we got. Please like, subscribe, share and follow. Thanks for all your support. Bye.